So there is something that is so comforting about warm desserts. And today I'm gonna show you how to make 2 of them in a cast iron skillet and serve oven to table. How cool is that? So the first skillet dessert that I'm gonna make is a s'mores dip, and I am getting so excited about this because I love s'mores. Oh my gosh, they are so good. I'm using a cast iron skillet because, as mentioned, this is a great dessert to take from the oven to the table, and when you use a cast iron skillet, it stays hotter longer. So I'm gonna add some cream. I'm warming up my cream, and you'll know that it's ready when it starts to steam. I'm gonna add my chocolate chips. So you don't wanna stir right now. You want the cream to just start to melt the chocolate first, and then I'll start stirring. So my chocolate looks like it's melted. Now I'm just gonna start giving this a stir. We're starting to create a dip, a s'mores dip. So what's so great about this dessert is you don't need a campfire to make s'mores. You can do this in your home. I thought I'd wear this shirt because it looks like marshmallows. You know, we're making s'mores. If you guys watch all of my videos, you can see I kind of wear clothes that match with the theme of whatever I'm cooking. Just a little behind the scenes info. Now, you can't have s'mores without marshmallows, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna add a layer of these marshmallows. Marshmallows are just so cute and fluffy and fun. Kids love them. My son loves them. I remember as a child, I would literally eat the whole bag. A whole bag of these. And then my stomach would hurt afterwards and wonder why. I mean, I was a kid, you know? Try to get in as many marshmallows as you can, because when you dip in the s'mores dip, you don't want it to just be chocolate. You want to get chocolate and marshmallows. So to toast this, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this under a broiler, but make sure you don't leave. You wanna watch it. All right, so I've taken my s'mores dip out of the oven. It has a really nice char on the marshmallows, and I like to serve this with graham crackers. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Look at that. Look at that chocolate and the marshmallows. Amazing. Now onto my apple crisp in a skillet. So in front of me, I have some apples that I've thinly sliced, so it's nice and thin, just the way I like it. And I'm doing that because when you have thin apples, it'll cook faster. Not only that, you can get more apples into your skillet, making it really nice and dense. So now I'm just gonna add some goodness to these apples. I'm gonna add some honey. I love honey. I put honey in like everything. I even put honey in my coffee. Some people think that's weird, but I love me some honey. I have it every single day. Ooh. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I wonder if it's a mood booster. You know how chocolate is a mood booster? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna add some nutmeg and some salt. The salt just brings out the flavors, just taking it to another level. So I'm just gonna mix this. Make sure that the apples are coated with the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the honey. So easy, you guys are gonna thank me. And now I'm just gonna dump it all into my skillet that I've greased with butter. So I wanna create a really nice layer here, and I don't want too many holes because I don't want my crisp to kind of seep through. I want all of that to stay on top. This is looking awesome. If I only had one pan, I would definitely go for the cast iron skillet. I mean, you can cook everything in this. You can cook desserts, you can cook just basically anything. My brother, actually, Taj, he's really getting into cooking right now, and he said that I inspired him. So for Christmas one year, what I got him was, and I kind of see it as a fundamental for anyone who's just starting to cook, is to get them a cast iron skillet, and that's exactly what I did for my brother, and he's having loads of fun with it. So usually when I make my crisp, I'll throw my flour, my sugar, my butter, all in a food processor. Well, we're gonna skip that step. I'm gonna make this so easy. It's gonna be like mind blown. So what I'm using are some shortbread cookies. And what I've done is I've just put them in a reusable plastic bag, and I am going to pound away. So this is the quick fix approach. Quick fix. And you don't need a food processor. So you see we have this really nice crumble. So to bind all of this together, I'm gonna use some melted butter, and I'm just gonna pour it into the bag. And this is less mess because there's less dishes. I mean, sometimes those food processors, it can be a little much. We love them, but there's a lot of pieces to that, to clean. Gonna close this again and just give it a really nice shake. Sprinkle this on top. It's just like as if you were to put it in a food processor. Amazing. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven at 425 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. This smells so good. I just love the way warm apples smell throughout the house. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Okay, so let's dive in. I see the steam coming out. Oh, it's so nice and warm. I'm gonna add some whipped cream, and you know, you could add ice cream to this if you want. This looks so amazing. Not only does it look amazing, it tastes great. The house is smelling great. I hope you've enjoyed my skillet desserts, and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And make sure you subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Hey guys, what's up? So I am actually backstage at my new show, Family Reunion for Netflix. I'm filming, and before I get to that, I just want to say, oh, there's Corey. Corey, say hi.
Who are you talking to?
Tia Mowry's Quick Fixers.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Hi guys. Take it easy.
So I'm actually going to be taking a little bit of a break from Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. Don't worry, it'll only be for a few weeks. You guys, we have built such an incredible community here. I have so much fun shooting these videos for you. I'm always looking in the comments, seeing what you guys want from me. And yeah, so I just wanted to tell you that I'm going to be taking a little bit of a break. Let me know in the comments below what you want some of the videos to be, and you guys rock, and I cannot wait to see you guys again. Bye!